Hey, Swan Vlogs, and welcome to your YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you my chickens. So as you can see, my chickens are so close together because the heater is right there. As you can see, this one right here, he's over there because he's looking for food. No chickens right now. A lot of chickens. So guys, the water has poop in it because my chickens stink water for poop. But I will go clean it out outside. I just dump it out and I go inside and rinse it off. So guys, that's the food I give them. So I really don't know what the food is called. It's just when I went to go buy the chickens, they told me that's necessary for the little chickens. Some of these little chickens will be out there with the big chickens.
Soon.
Soon.
Traditional
You're gonna be walking your farm to look at my chickens. So guys, as you can see, I have a chicken over there.
Andy, give me the fake name. Give me the fake name.
His name is Raven.
What is it?
A chicken. It's a hen.
Oh.
Oh, as you can see, she's over there looking for food. I'm sorry because of the background.
It's too loud.
It's too loud. There's people working over there. As you can see.
What's his name?
His name is Raven. I mean, her name is Raven. As you can see, we have a dog over there. Her name is Lucy. She is a boxer pit bull. As you can hear, my chicken is on the way in the woods because she ran away for no reason. This is the chicken coop that we built for the chickens. Come on. Don't. As you can see,
Stop saying I guess you can see it.
this is the corn that I feed them.
It's crushed corn.
It's crushed corn. I throw it over here for my chickens to come and eat. I'm sorry guys, this video was short because it was my first actual video, and this is it for today.
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.